Hey guys, so I'm starting off this Foxy Eyes tutorial by taking the shade Dawn from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette and placing this in my crease. This is going to be a transition and a blending shade. This is very light. It might not even show up on darker skin tones, but we're not doing much in the crease. The focus is on the eyeliner. So I'm just putting a light layer of this. And then to add a little bit more definition, I'm mixing Dawn with Fudge. And I wanted to do this because Fudge on its own for me with a very, very fair complexion would be a little bit too dark, so I wanted to mix it with Dawn to lighten it up a little bit. And as you can see here, I am just flicking it outwards, kind of giving that like foxy look, just very, very lightly. This is really, really simple. If I can do it, you guys can do it, but it just added a little bit more definition. This was exactly what I was looking for. Now I'm picking up the shade Destiny, and this is going right on top of Dawn and Fudge. I just wanted a subtle hint of green. You might not even be able to see it on camera because I did it so lightly. And I just wanted a little bit more depth, but like I said, you might want to skip this step. It was very light-handed, and like I said, just subtle hint of green. You can kind of see it peeking through here and there. Now I'm just blending everything together. This is just a blending brush, nothing is on it. And now it's time for the fun part. So this is my version of a Foxy Eye. I am just going to be doing my winged eyeliner with the shade Untamed, which is a really, really pretty green. You can pretty much do the Foxy Eyes tutorial with any color eyeshadow. I just thought it would be fun with this green. So I'm using that Sigma eyeliner brush. I will leave all my brushes below because these are so easy to use. You're going to want to do your liner with eyeshadow because it's just so easy. So very simple. I just lined my upper lash line, flicked it out, and this isn't supposed to be perfect, so if it's a little messy, that's completely fine. That's the way it's supposed to look. So I'm smudging everything out, and then boom, I have my one eye done, and now it's on to concealer. I'm just concealing those dark circles, as you can see, and if you mess up or if you don't like the way your wings look, do your concealer and then you can sharpen up the edges just like this, and you can always blend it out later to kind of smudge it out, but this also gives you that faded effect at the end. I don't know, it just looks really pretty, and I do this for my eyeliner all the time. I'm blending it out, making sure everything looks good, and that's pretty much the eyeliner. It's super easy, and like I said, if you mess up, take that concealer and clean up that edge. I just wanted to shout out this concealer. It is giving the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer a run for its money. It is so good, so cheap. You can find it at the drugstore. I got mine at Target. It is beautiful. So it is my new favorite concealer right now. I still love the Too Faced one, but this one is just really good and cheap. So now I'm just tapping out my concealer again, and then I'm going to be setting underneath there. Of course, I forgot to focus, so you guys are getting two quick blurry clips. I'm so sorry. But now we're doing the lower lash line. I didn't want to do anything crazy on the lower lash line, so I lined the outer third with Untamed, which is the same color I used for my wing, and then I'm blending it out with Dawn and Fudge. I did not want a super smoked out lower lash line. I wanted the focus to be on the wing. So yeah, I went very light-handed underneath there. And then I'm going to go in with some lashes. You don't have to use lashes, but I did. I used the Ardell 110s, and I only put mascara on the outer half to give more of that like cat eye foxy look. And then I did a little bit, on my lower lash line, but before I did that, I took this pixie stick, I'll leave it down below, and just put some on my waterline right at the edges, and I thought it looked really, really pretty. You can barely see it on camera, but I promise you it gave a little like extra punch. So now the tutorial is done, complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked my version of a Foxy Eye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.